All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to fall correctly. So I'm on the floor now. Okay, so what I wanna do is I wanna squat, say right here. I wanna squat here, and then I wanna go down and then slap my hands to the side, just like this, okay? I wanna go to the side. I don't want to land on my wrist. I'm gonna break my wrist here. And that's not something you want to do. So really, I'm coming here, I tuck the chin, and I come out just like this, okay? So we're back here, and this is just for beginners. We're just gonna squat, tuck the chin, and then fall here. And it doesn't feel good on the hardwood floor, to be honest. So that's how you fall, straight on your back, okay? If you're not tucking your chin in, and you're leaving it loose, it's gonna whack here to hit your back of your head, and that's gonna hurt really bad, okay? To the side, I'm gonna go over just this way because I wanna hit my microphone. We're gonna come into the side. I guess squat here. We're gonna come in, bam, here. Hand comes out to the side, tucking the chin in, just like this, and we're slapping out just like that, okay? Again, one more time. Come down, bam, just like this. All right, and that's how you fall the right way. Let me know what I missed. Let me know what you guys thought about this, and make sure to check out my other videos and to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.